"2D CAD was a huge innovation to the design world. And now, 3D CAD helps companies innovate and create better designs faster. But what about those legacy 2D CAD drawings you still need to maintain? Maintaining 2D CAD software can be expensive, with a high cost of licenses and upgrades with little return on investment. And you have to upgrade to ensure compatibility with legacy and current 2D CAD data, and be able to open, edit, create, print, and share DWG files. Even if you decide to forego further upgrades, vendor compliance regulations are ever present. Plus, many 2D CAD products are not compatible with Windows 7 and 8 and today's hardware. It can cost you thousands of dollars to become compatible, forcing you to continue investing in 2D CAD licenses and upgrades as you watch your return on investment plummet. Enter DraftSight. Created for professional CAD users, students, and educators, DraftSight is a professional-grade 2D CAD product that provides significant value. In fact, it offers a free option. Did we say free? Yep, that's right. Simply access DraftSight.com to download and activate the product. With minimal training for experienced 2D CAD users, DraftSight can open, edit, create, print, and share DWG files. DraftSight is compatible with Windows XP, 7 and 8, as well as Mac and Linux. Product development is community-driven, with online community support and rich learning resources provided to all users. Need more? You can buy the professional pack offering for DraftSight that includes DraftSight Toolbox, Design Library, Draw and Compare, Batch Printing, product upgrades, releases, and service packs throughout the year, and more. Need telephone and email support and a network license? Request a quote for the Enterprise Pack offering for DraftSight. Get started today. Download and activate the free version of DraftSight at DraftSight.com/download. Buy the professional pack offering at DraftSight.com/buyprofessional. Or request a quote for the Enterprise Pack offering for DraftSight at DraftSight.com/RAQ. DraftSight, more than just a free 2D CAD product.